Rg405v. I've been waiting for this for a while, for about a week, so I guess I should just do a unboxing. Here's the package, and okay, they packed it kind of really secure, so I think that everything should be okay. So here's the packaging. Trying to do this with one hand, so it's gotta. So here we go. Box doesn't look that big. It looks kind of small. Plus, it's not taped together. You would think that it would be taped together, but it's not. Okay. All right, let's see. They're saying that it's sold. It's a little chunky. I got the wood version, so I have the 351V, which is the wood version. So I had to match it up with the little upgrade. Boom. There you go. Oh, it doesn't feel like it's so, like they were saying, it's like, oh, it's too big. Like it fits perfect. Oh man, I'm gonna really enjoy this. Okay, I don't want to get too in depth, but let me open up the package and see that y'all see what's inside. An adapter to charge it, some wipes, so you can put the screen protector on, a screen protector. Also, a little booklet with the instructions. So, the Rg405v, wow. Okay, this is good. Ambinic is always putting out good products. I highly recommend them for sure. Especially if you're a gamer and you want to play older games. And some of the new ones, because the chip could go so far. But as long as you could get a couple of bangers, you're good. For sure. Look at that. Yeah, I was really excited about it. As soon as they said that it was released, I hurried up and ordered it. And I was just like checking the shipping like every single day. But I'm so happy I got it. But this is awesome. I also got an SD card. I got someone to hook me up with a nice SD card with some tight bangers on there that I'm going to be able to play. That wasn't... So I didn't buy the SD card from Ambinic because they fell. That's what they say, that they fell. So, and that's the fan. You want to get it in close up to the fan label, because those are the indentations that they were saying that, oh, I don't know what they're there for, but it looks like it's gonna fit perfect. I don't feel anything different from the 351V, but they said that it's supposed to feel a little bit different. But personally, I really don't trust the reviewers that much, because it's really biased, this way they think about things sometimes. And sometimes you get the product and it'll be totally different from what they said it was going to be. So pretty much, if you like something, go get it yourself and test it out. The worst case scenario, you could send it back. Don't take people's word for it, because you'll end up missing out on a good product just because someone reviewed it because they were having a bad day. So I'm out. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and this is the wood version of the Rg405v. So here's the Rg351V beside the Rg405v. Wood grain version. Wood grain version. The back. Now, the Rg351V was comfortable to hold, but the only issue I had with it was this little dent right here. It was like really hard to play when it's long-term playing, like you're playing for a long time. But this now is curved. So I think that it's going to be real comfortable, but definitely a great upgrade in aesthetics. So I definitely had to show you a comparison before I ended the video. But yes, highly recommend. Thumbs up. Go get it. I really wanted the purple one, but the wood green had to match my Rg405v for sure.